Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a perfect dessert for summer. It's cold, it's refreshing, and it is called a mango float cake. No oven needed. And it can definitely be enjoyed al fresco. So keep it locked here and learn how to make this super simple dessert. So let's get started. We'll need a cup of condensed milk. We're going to let this chill in the fridge. There's no exact temperature it needs to get to. We're just going to keep it cool. We'll need about 2 sleeves of graham crackers. And for our main flavor profile, you're going to need mangoes. I used 4 of them. We're just going to peel and cut all of our mangoes. Cut as close to the seed as possible. Then cut slivers from each half. You can also cut it without peeling it and then scoop the flesh out with a spoon if that's an easier method for you. I used an 8x11 glass baking dish and I greased it and lined it with parchment paper. Leave an overhang on the sides so it leaves you the option to remove the whole dessert when it's ready to be eaten. Then in the bowl of a stand mixer, I poured 2 cups of heavy cream. Then I placed the whole thing in the fridge for roughly about 15 minutes. Chilling the steel bowl helps the cream whip more efficiently and with more stability. Now we're going to whip our heavy cream on medium speed until it reaches a stiff peak. This will take roughly about 6 minutes or so. Once it starts to visibly thicken, it's time to grab our condensed milk from the fridge. Add all the condensed milk, and at this point we're going to add our vanilla as well. I use the Madagascar vanilla, and I use the vanilla paste so I could see the black specks of vanilla in my dessert. Now comes the last part, is the assembly. The order is graham crackers, cream, and then mangoes, followed by graham crackers, cream, and mangoes again. I put a little extra cream on top of the mangoes on this layer, just so the graham crackers had something to adhere to. For the top layer, you can take some leftover graham crackers and crush them in a Ziploc bag. We're going to garnish the top of our cake with these graham cracker crumbs. Once the assembly is done, you can wrap it in plastic wrap, and this is going to go in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours. I also happen to have some cream left over, so I put them in these cute little ice cream containers I bought from the dollar store, and those are going to go in the freezer as well. After a couple hours, the ice cream froze over and turned into a really beautiful soft serve. Our main dessert took a little bit longer, so after about 6 hours, the mango float cake was ready to go. It was frozen. It's a little bit hard to cut, so make sure you thaw it out on the counter for about 15 minutes before you try to cut it. And there you have it, one of the most simplest desserts to put together, and you didn't even need an oven for it. It's 4 simple ingredients, minimal time in the kitchen, and more time to enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you give this recipe a try. If you like this content, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel so you can keep up with all my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.
Young and so are we. So